Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Just over a week until Thanksgiving feast. Oh, it's coming. Last night, I'm going to start off with this. I had a lot of fun doing this teriyaki chicken, avocado, and rice stack. Robin and I discussed it like we always do after dinner. And I asked, is this a repeat? And she's like, well, it's just so much work. I said, and honestly, it's not. If you break down the recipe, like the recipe does, it's actually a simple recipe to put together. The only thing that I had to cut was the green onion, because that's a garnish. And I cut the chicken thighs up a little bit to make it easier to cook. And then, of course, I had to cut it to put it actually in the stack. But it's super simple. Really, really simple. And it's very tasty. Now, I did make just one little mistake. And it's not a big mistake. It's really nothing big. I put too much, and I'm just going to call it guacamole. I mean, because it's mashed up avocado. Basically guacamole. But I put, because the avocado was the middle layer, and it's, guacamole. Things kind of slid. But if that's the only thing I got wrong, then, oh well, it's very good. One of the things Robin said, because it's a fresh teriyaki sauce. There's no bottles going on here. And I basically have done this teriyaki over and over and over again, just, little variants to it. But she said the blending of the flavors between the rice, the avocado, and the teriyaki, especially with the avocado, it's really good. It does. It blends really well. And thank you to Callie out there for giving me the suggestion to wrap this tape roll in saran wrap. It worked beautifully. Thank you, Callie. Tonight, no stacking tonight. This is day 2 this week of shrimp. This is a shrimp week. I got shrimp on sale. Good bargain. Tonight is a creamy shrimp pasta with mushrooms. It's super simple, but this is going to be really tasty. Can hardly wait. Especially on a day like today, according to Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, we're supposed to get at least an inch of rain here in Sutter County. We need it. I'm not complaining, but it's after 7 and it's still dark outside because of the clouds. All right, so let's get to it. Got some hardware, a couple Dutch ovens, a colander. Using the pink shrimp again. These are 40/60s. That's 40 to 60 per pound if you don't understand the numbers. I'm adding a chopped up half yellow onion. I'm using white mushrooms. Of course, there's garlic, some kosher salt, some black pepper. I'm using the dried basil that I dried here at the house from the farmer's market. I'm using local spiceries chipotle chili powder, and also the local spiceries paprika, some mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese. There's some heavy cream in this, and we're going to be using linguine tonight. So all the goodies on this wonderful Wednesday. Have a great day. By the way, the Soup Symphony cookbook is coming along nicely. I think I have it down to 80 recipes. I'm not cutting any more. I think 80 is a good number. So, on this wonderful Wednesday, or wet Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.